This place is called Dhobi Ghat, and it's a massive laundry place where hospitals, hotels, pretty much anyone brings their laundry and you can get it done here. And it's a massive market. You can see everything drying. So I got my clothes washed here yesterday and they said they lost them. And we have to go find them, I guess. So according to my friend who I just bought this henna stamp off of, 5,000 people live here, and only the men do the washing and the women do the ironing. They start at 4 in the morning and they work till 7 at night. No bye, thank you.
Top is the railway station.
Right.
Inside big top. Inside see.
Okay.
Yeah, inside big top. Dhobi Ghat house.
Okay.
Nice spot in the dry areas.
Yeah, okay.
Where is that?
I think he's gonna take us.
Iron. You're heavy.
Yeah.
7 kilogram. One time clean. Fast working. अरे यार ये क्या करें?
Very cool. All the sheets for the railway
Everything.
and everything in Mumbai.
Chemical night.
Okay.
Stop. Working finished. Leave here.
Of course. Tired.
Big top. Nice top.
Yeah.
Factory washing. First one.
Okay.
New shirt, new. Factory washing. Factory.
Military?
Shirt. Shirt.
Getting the inside scoop of this laundry place. Dhobi Ghat. 5,000 people live in here. Wow.
Your big house, sir. 2 kilometer round. Separate
Yeah.
sun dry big. Your big sun dry.
Okay.
Round 2 kilometer area.
5,000 people.
Yeah, live here.
And 6,000 people work
You
here.
working here.
So do the people who live here, do they work here too?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Old technology.
Okay.
Your new technology, the washing machine. Your 40% used.
Okay.
Your light, dining table,
Yeah.
blanket,
Nicer stuff.
new one shirt, your washing machine.
Okay.
40%,
Yeah.
60% everyone handle. family, one range. One
One
boiling
range.
water, yeah. Fresh water, main washing it, hand.
They have to pay rent to have the well
300 per month. Government tax.
with the
Only one
house?
tax, yeah. Yeah. The free job. My separate secretary, separate contact, separate secretary. Private job. This is the fresh water. The main washing area is the hand. The one family, is the family house. The 5,000 people live here.
Okay.
Yeah, working inside Dhobi Ghat.
Yeah.
Yeah, family working. The old business.
Where are the clothes coming from?
Yeah, all Mumbai.
From Mumbai.
Hotel.
Like laundry shop.
Yeah, everything's closed. Hotel, laundry, hospital, state line. All Mumbai.
Okay.
Yes, only one Mumbai. No outside.
Okay.
Yes. Everything big hotel, big stores, everything. The main fresh water, the 24 hours is the fresh water government supply. Yes, government plus property, private jobs. Yeah, one family, one range, washing area, main. Yeah, one range, boiling water area, two sun dry area, hanger garden.
Okay.
300, one family tax is the government.
Okay.
Is government helping free job. They are old. It's 24 hours is the fresh water. It's government supply.
Never stops.
Yeah, every time.
Okay. All the time.
Yeah. One time 500 liter using.
500 liters.
Yeah, two range.
Yeah. And hand wash.
Yeah, hand wash.
Okay.
CC
Okay.
started.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This chemical using. Second fresh water using. Finish washing. They are dry machine.
Yeah.
No rainings. They are 1 day is the delivery fast work.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything marking close comes. Separate family. Small sun dry, separate. Family separate house.
Wow.
2 kilometer round.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, I am is the Dhobi Ghat society people.
Yeah. Yeah.
I am private people, no government people.
Yeah. Right.
It's no government secretary.
No government. Okay. Okay.
I am Dhobi Ghat people, separate is the only one Dhobi Ghat is the old family, the come inside, nice people, nice place,
Yeah.
old technology, nice people, nice place.
Yeah. Yeah.
My name Bali.
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 Mitch.
Nice to meet you. Bali. Yeah. You're from
Canada.
Canada, nice country.
France.
France. I live in Canada, France. Europe people really come inside.
Yeah. Yeah.
Europe record. The British one.
Good.
Yeah. It's the old British. 100. No second. Come, sir.
Okay, that was really sweet. They've been operating for 167 years doing laundry out of this place. And they do it for all of Mumbai, the hospitals, new clothes, whatever. No computers. It's all done by pen. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Dhobi Ghat laundry place in Mumbai. Definitely check it out if you're in town.